Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. About number 7, we put about 16 minus number 9. This one, that is about identities. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So x plus 4 equals to number 3 secant of t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have 9 secant of t square, number 9 and number 9. We can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1 we change by tan t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. ds we have number 3 secant of t tan t dt. After we do in first derivative for the both sides, so we put this one gone here, this one gone here. The s we change by this one. This one we have 9 secant of t square, number 9 and number 9. We can do about factorization. So this one we have tan t square. The square root of this one we have 3 tan t. Later that we simplify number 3 secant of t tan t on numerator and denominator. And now we have t over 3, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 3. And now we can find the value of t equals to our secant of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.